Okay, so on the 22nd of November, we are going to be running our OBS Studio course. So basically what you'll be able to do is create videos easily using OBS Studio. If you don't know what OBS Studio is and you do want to make videos, then this is a fantastic free product that you can use and record videos with your webcam. That's what I'm using right now. I've got a nice plain background. I've got my logo up in the corner, and the great thing about OBS Studio is that what you could do is at the touch of a button, you can make text appear, you can animate it in, you can make it disappear, and also you can make it come in wherever you want, and again animate it to go away. So it's a really good tool. But you can also do things like share videos and share images. You can share your screen, and if you wanted to do a video demonstrating something on a website, this is a fantastic product to do that with. So there's so much you can do with this product. So if you're interested in creating video and creating it easily, then by all means, feel free to get in touch. Put the booking link into the description. And if you use the code video50, you get 50% off. Normally retails at £100, but we're doing this special course for only £50. All right. Cheers then. Bye-bye.